Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 Suzuki 1050DE. This is an insanely tall motorcycle. 1037cc V twin engine, 106 brake horsepower. And a super tall seat height. Wow. Claimed brake horsepower, like I said, 106, 74 foot-pounds of torque. Sorry, this ride came up quick, so I had to hurry up, jump on it, try to remember every spec, and go. Yeah, this bike is tall, and it's heavy. 554 pounds, I believe. Claimed wet weight. Relatively nimble though. Not bad. Whew. Comfort. Yeah, it is. This is $15,199, if memory serves correctly. At that price, this bike better be comfortable. But for $15,199, you get spoked wheels, you get fully adjustable suspension, front and rear, nice little color TFT display. You know, you get a lot of things. You get cruise control, that's nice. I mean, I believe that's an adjustable windscreen. Probably have to, you can't adjust it quickly, I'll tell you that. No, it's not adjustable. Well, yeah, it is. You take out the pegs. It does come with a quick shifter, which is nice. Huh. But, I don't know. I'm not sure what... I mean, for an adventure bike, okay, you got wide handlebars. So, very commanding ride position. Big gas tank, because again, we ride the bikes without knowing much of anything about the bike itself, because it's first impressions. And I'm trying to deduce everything else about the bike as I ride it, just based off of experience. The seat is at 5,000 RPMs. The seat gets vibrational. And not a little vibrational either. It's quite a bit of vibration. And yeah, it kicks in at roughly 5,000 where it starts getting really vibrational. But on a bike like this, you're going to be standing up. Now that's where this bike shines. This bike's stand-up ride position is phenomenal. Wow. Very comfortable, very easy. Very easy to see the dash when I'm looking down at it. Still very commanding on the ride position. Yeah, this bike is really good at a stand. Got some good power. Good power delivery. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not sure I'm going to pay 15 grand for it, but a little crash protection there. Just a place for me to put my foot if I want to stretch out, which is also a very nice thing to have. And it's on both sides. So yeah, if I'm gonna ride down the road long distance, want to take pressure off, yeah, that's good. fifth gear, full throttle. Whew, great. Plenty of power. Plenty of power on this bike. It's the way it delivers its power. I mean, it's very predictable, very linear, which makes it very enjoyable, you know. Sometimes you get a bike, it's not predictable. You don't know where the power is going to come from. This is very linear. Keep forgetting there's a quick shifter on this bike. Woo! Red line. I didn't realize it redlined at 9.2. Oh boy. So don't hit me in the comments and say I don't take it to the red line, man. I didn't mean to do it, but I did it. Yeah, I can barely touch the ground on this bike. And I do mean barely. So 5'9". Yeah. You need to understand what you're getting on. That quick shifter is very, very jerky when you hit it from first gear. I mean, very jerky. It's just like, lurches. Second gear too, lurches. See that pop? So the quick shifter is not exactly flawless. You know, a little bit of a downside there. I'm still trying to, I mean, yes, this bike is really fun. Don't get me wrong, it's really fun. But I'm still trying to place why 15,199. I mean, it's Africa Twin money, basically. And I've ridden an older Africa Twin. Hopefully at some point I'll be able to get a new one filmed for the channel. Is this better than the older Africa Twin that I rode? No, it's not. Is it a bad bike? No. But is it better than that? No, it's not. You know, I'm trying to figure out what is... That quick shifter is really bad. The quick shifter is really bad. Plain and simple. Every time I hit the quick shifter, every single time, this is not a good quick shifter. Oof. I mean, it's fast. I'm pretty sure I did 100 miles an hour on this bike. But it's not what it should be. This should be better for $15,199. That quick shifter should be flawless at this price, and I know Suzuki can make a flawless quick shifter because I've ridden multiple Suzukis today that had flawless quick shifters. There you are. I'm going to put it in gear just so it doesn't move. So no sound check on the V-Strom, but there's the gist of it. Ladies and gentlemen, Suzuki 2023 V-Strom 1050DE. No. 15 grand? No. Not worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, stay safe. Enjoy the ride. GoPro, stop recording.